What's up guys, welcome into the new video, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online playing games. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you mainly how to withdraw money from the website, how to deposit money in the website, and how to win and earn money online easily in this website. And before I go deep into this website, I will highlight here and I will show you exactly only 3 steps which we will go through this video. I won't make this video too long, guys. The first step that I will show you is how to create an account in Binance, and the second process is I will show you how to play game and make money, and step 3 I will show you how to withdraw money from this website. And guys, before I get into the video, let me introduce myself. Well, my name is Fadi Lectoz, and in this channel I usually create videos, tutorials showing you step by step on how to make money online, guys. Okay, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit this subscribe button, click at the notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will always give you a notification showing you that I have just uploaded videos. Like you can see, these are all the tutorial and people are engaging with these videos, so I will leave the link in the description box of each and every video that I will be making. So make sure you go in the description, check out the links. And with that said, let's get into the video and let's get started. What's up guys, now that you're here I'm very grateful, and I'm going to show you just exactly like I said to you in the previous preview. Like I said that I'm going to show you how to create a Binance account. There is a reason for this, and then after showing you that, I'm going straight away into the website where we are going to play games and start earning some money. So I will leave the links in the description box below for Binance and for this official website where you'll be able to make money online. Okay, now let's dive in. If I come here, guys, this is Binance, and we all know what Binance is. And if you do not know Binance, well, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange website, okay, where you can exchange any type of cryptocurrency. Okay, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, you can buy it in this website with your debit card. Okay, and you can then continue in your investments according to how you plan yourself. As you can see here, guys, you can see that even you can register now and enjoying a welcome reward up to $100 for verified users. So if you create your account here and you verify your account, you will be able to get your link, and if you refer other friends inside your account, you will be able to make some commission. As you can see here, we can buy all these of cryptocurrencies that are in this website. So it's a very big website which was founded on 2017, and this website is what I used, guys, to hold my cryptocurrencies. What you'll do is just come here and click on register, and once you click on register, you will be given these options here. So you will either sign up with your phone or email. You can continue with Apple if you have Apple device, or you can come and click continue with Google. Okay, and because I already have an account, I won't show you how to create accounts. Very easier. Maybe in the future I will get videos. Okay, so I won't even also log in, because in this video I just wanted to show you what you need. Okay, in the next video in future I will create a video about this. Now that, let's assume that you have created your Binance account and maybe you have load money inside it, or you have hold cryptos inside it. Now I will come into the official website where we'll be able to play games and make money, guys. As you can see here, this is the official website, and it's very simple, as you can see it. Okay, the link is in the description box below, guys. Don't forget to give me like in this video, okay? And also this helps my video to rank on YouTube, to reach some other users who might be interested in these types of video. And don't also forget to comment, okay? That lets me know to that encourages me and makes me to know what you people need, guys. So in this website, you'll just come here and click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you will just put your email address, put the password with referral code, because you will leave it that way, because if you click the link in the description box below, it will bring you directly into this website, and when it bring you here, you will see that here my code will be refilled automatically. Now because I already have an account, I will just come here and click on login, and I will come let's go. So as you can see, guys, you can see that I am already inside my dashboard, and I can tell you that I already have I deposited 50 USDT, okay, into this account, and I played some games. That's why you can see it is 60. Now if I come here and click on the currencies, you can see that I have got 60 USDT. This is around like $60. Yeah, that is around like $60. And guys, if I come here and I show you my transactions, this is very important. If I show you my transaction, as you can see here, you can see that let me start with down here. As you can see, you see I deposited $50. Then I started playing games. I played games, as you can see here. This minus are the those are the one which I lost, and those plus which you can see here, guys, are the ones which I have made profit on. So I deposited $50, and within no time, guys, I was able to make $60, and that did not take even like 10 minutes. I used only like 5 minutes to do this. So if you want to you cannot play games here if you do not load your account. This website is very legit. So what you will have to do is just come here and click on deposit, like I said in the video that I will show you how to deposit and how to withdraw money from this website, and then I will go inside and play some game with you and see how it works. So if you want to deposit some money from this website, you will come here. As you can see, already I clicked at the deposit, and once I click at deposit, you can see here they are giving me deposit address. Now the reason why I brought you into Binance is because you will need this address, deposit address, inside your Binance. Okay, now let's assume you created your Binance account. Okay, now you will come and copy at this link, and when you go into your Binance account where you hold your cryptocurrencies, you will withdraw, and then you will withdraw to this address. Okay, or you can scan it here, which is very easier. Once you do that, your money will reflect here, and once your money has reflected here, you can start playing games. And once you make profits, you can come here and click again on withdraw. You just click on the deposit, it will give you all these options like you see here. And once you do that, as you can see here, it will reflect all the currencies which you hold here, and then it will give you options here. So you will go inside your Binance account or any cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, but I prefer Binance. You will go inside Binance, copy the address, just like when you copy on deposit something, they will give you address. Come and paste it here, and once you paste it here, you will be able to withdraw your money. Okay, you will be able to withdraw your money. Just come here and click on confirm, and that is how this website works. Now that I have shown you how to do it, you can as well also exchange cryptocurrencies here. You can also buy cryptos here. Okay, like I have got 50 USD. Okay, I I can buy anything here. Okay, if I want TRC, I can buy cryptos within this website. So guys, let me come here when I click at home, and I will show you unique things that this website has. You will be able to play all kinds of games. Okay, very easier games. As you can see here, you can see we have got Wingo, Classic, and so many other games which you guys usually play for free. You usually play for free and waste a lot of time. So I will come here, guys. As you can see here, I will you can play these. Okay, you can play these. This is like the odd game. You only have to say if the next number is going to be red, or it is going to be green, or it is going to be violet. Okay, so in this video, as you can see, this is the game. We have got dice here, as you can see, and we have got this game here, and this is my favorite one. I really like to play this game here. It's the game that I played and gave me all this that you see. So what we will do, guys, into this website, I will show you just as easy as how to do it. So if I scroll down here, you can see the minimum amount that I can play with this website is 0.01 USDT. Okay, that is minimum, and if I click on maximum, I can use 100 USDT. Okay, so I will bring it to minimum, and in this game I'm going to play with 5 USDT, and I will come here and click on random. Okay, once I click random, those numbers, as you can see, I have clicked random. Now you can see everything has changed here to 9900 so that it can start. Okay, so this next thing which I will do is to spin, and once I click at the spin, you can see what is happening here. As you can see, guys, I have just won. Okay, I have won, and I will continue again to play. Okay, maybe this time round, let me say, let it be like maybe ×2. Okay, now I have put $10, and this is not easier. Then I click again on random, and then I say spin. As you can see, I have lost that game, as you can see, and that will not make me not to continue. It's very not to continue, but I will continue. As you can see, I will click again on the random, and I will spin again, and I will come here and see. Okay, it's loading. Let's see. I lost that game again. Okay, this is how this thing is. This is how I was able to do things. So maybe this time around I will continue again. I will click on random, because I can't just say that I can know the right numbers which are coming. Let's see if you're going to win again. This, like you can see, I have won that game again. So I will continue. There are so many games you can play in this website. Okay, so I will click on random. Very easier. Okay, I have lost that game again. I have got 50 USDT, so I will bring it again. You have to max, you have to know how you are using this. I put this money inside here to show you exactly how this website is working. Okay, if you feel like that game is not fair for you, you can change game. So with me, I know this game is very powerful. So like you see, I lost that one again. Now I will come here and click on this one. There's so many games you can play within this website, guys. It's very easier. The link is in the description box below. This website is called Yebet. Yebet is a very legit company. So here what I will come to do is let me choose a price here. Let me choose a price of $5 USDT, and then let me choose I like red, and then let me bet, and let me see what is going to happen in this game. So as we are waiting, let's see some magic. let's see if really something cool is gonna happen here. As you can see guys, I didn't win it, so I will choose, I like red color, make some money. As you can see, I have won that game. Okay, yeah, I've won it because it came here. So let me see, let me see again. Let's see. So guys, it seems like yeah, but this is how things are working. You can play this game and make so much money inside this. Okay, I started using a small amount of money, and guys, I've been using this website to pump money inside my Binance account, and in the next video guys, I will be showing you things about this. So what you will be doing here is just clicking playing games. Okay, I know there are so many games inside this website, and also guys, I'm going to show you how you can maximize this, and maybe you may not end up putting your money inside here, but if you use this website correctly. Okay, let me put that, let me play once, let me play once again. Okay, let me play once again and see. Okay, like that game I lost it. Okay, but this does not mean that it is not working. It's working very fine. So let me get it another random number. Like you can see, I have won that game. Yeah, there are so many chances to win guys in this website. I am just showing you a tutorial, but if you sit down seriously focused, okay, like someone who do not want to lose any single penny, you will be able to make so much money in this website, and they pay you in cryptocurrency. Then you can later on change it into cash if you want. Now the thing here, the last thing which I wanted to show you in this game is when you come and scroll here, you will see this program written here, referral. Once you click at this referral, activate your referral account after creating your account, then get your link. When you get your link, you'll be able to get like 30% commission from each and every friends you refer inside your through your referral link. So that means when they are recharging, you will be making commission, a recurring commission each and every month. And once you are making a recurring commission each and every month, it means that you will not be depositing money here in order for you to play. That's the thing which I have been doing. That is called affiliate marketing. Okay, share your link to your friend, get as many friends as you can, let them sign up, let them reload their account, and when they reload their account, you will be able to make money, and money will be reflecting here. You can withdraw them or you can use them to play games. For me, this was just a video tutorial showing you that this website is legit and very working. You can come here and play in live casinos. As you can see, we have got so many things here that you can play. Okay, we have got slots here. You can come here and see what games, these games you've been playing them for free. So I'd rather, if I'm you, I'd rather utilize that free time into cash.